ABCD!
Hey everybody, the 3-gun guy here. Had some good reviews or some good feedback on the review I did for the Taurus G2C, and I wanted to take the gun just a step further because of the kind of mushy trigger with a long take up. So I did some research, as I usually do, and I found a really good trigger from Keep Tinkering. I ordered their standard single action trigger. Now this trigger takes out the double action capabilities, and it also takes out that trigger safety, which is kind of a nuisance anyway. I also ordered and installed a stainless recoil assembly from Lakeline LLC. Took it to the range today, put about 250 rounds through it, and it really performed well. So let's go to the range and see how we did. We're going to aim for the 7 near the neck. Okay, so not too bad. I got all 10 inside the square, and that was really first, after 50 rounds with the new trigger and everything. So I'm feeling pretty good. But this was 7 yards. We're going to do a little more at just different distances here in a few seconds. But overall, I like it so far. Now let's aim just above the 7 on the neck, and this time we'll do a little double tap. Well, not as good double tapping, but still not bad results. And when you really figure that you're going to be shooting at the body mass of the target, not at the neck, that was an open place in the target that I wanted to shoot at, that I had to shoot at. So let's move on. Okay, now we're going to be at about 10 yards, and we're going to start with 115 grain first magazine and then 124 grain second magazine, and I'm aiming for the actually for the grid to the right of his head where you would score the target. So we're just going to try to put some shots in that grid. We're going to see how we do. .115 first. Looks like we did pretty good. 2, 4, 6, 6 out of 10 there. Let's see how we can do now. 125. See how we did. So let's see, total number was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So what you didn't hear here is that the 124 ammo really did much better than 115, as is the case in all my other pistols. I shoot 124 for competition, and I think that's just the round I'm going to go with going forward. Now, I did not include installation videos because Keep Tinkering does a great job on his site, his website, and on YouTube of showing you how to install that trigger. And then, of course, the recoil spring as well. It's just a recoil spring. So you know, you can do that. You can figure that out. And that comes with really good instructions as well. So anyway, all in all, good day at the range. Had some good groupings, and even at 15 yards. So I'm really happy with these upgrades. That trigger makes a huge difference. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody, and shoot straight.